the Caribbean, white sandy beaches, and beautiful crystal clear seas. Of sameness. With tropical islands looking pretty similar, factors like weather heavily influence the final destination decision. And unpredictable weather has forced many to scrap all their travel plans. To stand out, the Aruba Tourism Authority leveraged its superior weather to drive awareness and engagement. So they asked travelers a simple question: can you do the world's easiest job? Located just outside the hurricane belt, Aruba boasts consistent 80-degree weather and year-round sunny skies. It's one happy island, especially if you're in charge of reporting the weather. To capitalize having more sunny days than its Caribbean neighbors and give the island an edge, Aruba launched its search to fill the role of official weather person. No experience preferred.
So have you ever dreamed of working on a tropical island? If so, you're in luck. Aruba is apparently hiring for what they're calling the world's easiest job.
The Aruba Tourism Authority is looking to hire someone to take over the weather reporting duties in Aruba's social media channels.
Aruba claims to have more sunny days than any other Caribbean island. Very little to report. You need zero experience to apply.
MediaJump started the job applications and garnered 704 placements, generating over 3 billion impressions, while content creators set the scene and amplified messaging, creating an instant sensation. Job applicants got to work and submitted a 30-second weather forecast for a chance to win. From mermaids and musicians to singers and weather person impersonators, over 800 sun-seeking job applicants gave it their best shot, but only one was fit for the job. The One Happy Island welcomed its weather person with open arms and embraced his weather reporting abilities. The world's easiest job broke records on Aruba.com, pushed Aruba out of the sea of sameness, and inspired more people to visit the One Happy Island.